Hey guys, this month we're going to be creating a Lego candy machine. Yum. Something similar. I have something similar. So you're just going to want to build your base plate if you have to construct it yourself. And there's my 12 by 12 base plate. It's a little uneven, so you're going to take the round brick 2 by 2 with axle hole. And there's your platform. The next piece you will have to build will be your food slide dispenser. So you got two 1 by 4 L-shaped tile bricks, a 2 by 2 rocker plate, and a 2 by 1 rocker bearing, which is this thing. A 4 by 4 plate, and 2 by 2 tiles. Put that to the side. You're going to take your 4 by 4 base plate and your L-shaped tile bricks. Oops. You're going to take your 2 by 2 tile bricks. You're going to take your rocker plate and you're just going to stick it on one of the edges, and it's going to look like this. So you want this to be able to move. The next pieces you will need are another 4 by 4 plate, two 1 by 6 with holes, two regular 1 by 6s, a 2 by 4 wheel axle, and then you will need two 2 by 2 bricks. So you're going to take your base plate. You're going to want to attach it so it's on the edge. You can go flush with it. Take your 2 by 2 pieces, stick it on the back. Then you're going to take your 1 by 6 that have the holes in it, and stick it on the sides so that one part comes up behind it and the rest kind of meets up a little bit. You're going to take your axle plate. You're going to attach your 4 by 4 plate to it. My mistake, guys. You're going to want to make it flush with the back because we have to attach the axle plate to it. And that gives you your door for your candy to fall out of. Then you're going to want to take your 2 by 6 bricks and put them on top. So then it will look as so. The next thing you're going to do, you're just going to want to build up around the plate. So for these little areas, or you can use a 1x2. I just don't have any nearby right now. Alright, should end up looking like this. Okay, so you're going to want to build up the sides right here. Don't forget we need to build up the back. If you have any 2x10 long, can use that. I'm going to take a 2x10 plate, I'm going to take another 2x10 plate, and make sure you leave a bit of a gap for your candy to fall through. Two by two. You want to stick them right there just so that your other 1x10 plate can easily slide across it. Okay, for this next part, you're going to want to build this section up just a little bit. And in this part, you can use 1x2 bricks, and then on one side it's going to come up just a little bit short, so you can just grab a 1x2 plate. Try to stick with the colors, and it'll bring it up to a flush height. So then we're going to take a 1x6 plate doubled up, because I can't find my 1x6 bricks, so you could use 1x6 bricks. You see how that kind of just moves in? So now we need something to grab onto. I like to use these dome pieces. And that way, doesn't go all the way, but you have control over it now. Sorry, you can use just one. So, that's the main mechanics of your candy machine. The next step is to build it out to hold your candy. I have some clear pieces here that I'm going to use so we can keep track of how much candy is inside. So, let's start building it up. And I mean, you can go pretty much as high as you want to go, as long as it's steady, sturdy, and your candy comes out. Couple more pieces. Alright, so this piece, since it's not going to be level, I'm taking two 1x6 plates together to give it that height that it needs. Alright. I just realized I put the glass on the back. There we go. We want the glass on the front so we can see what we're doing. Alright, so there's 3 here. So I'm going to have to do 1x1s coming up the front. It's forever evolving, guys. Forever evolving. Let's see, will this fit? Perfect. Alright guys, we're almost done. And if it's easier for you to just put them together and then stick them all on there at the same time, that might be the smarter way of doing it than me doing it 1x1. Okay, so these don't look to be as even, so I need some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1x6 plates. Also, by doing the 1x6 plate, it will kind of hold the walls together better also. And then I'm gonna need, don't feel like digging, so I'm just going to use two 2x2 plates for this remaining section right here. And there you have it. So fill it up with whatever you're whatever candy you want. Place the lid on top. And there you have it. Candy machine. Remember, sanitize your Legos before you do this. They're gross. You've had them all over the floor, hands all over them, maybe a kid, brother or sister's mouth. Who knows? Wash them first.